Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how I made these crispy baked chicken drumsticks recipe. This is one of the easiest, most delicious ways to make chicken drumsticks. Chicken is crispy on the outside and juicy tender on the inside. Let's get started. We're using chicken drumsticks for this recipe and we're going to pat them dry with a paper towel. Patting the chicken dry will help them become crispy in the oven. Next, we're going to put together a dry rub seasoning for the chicken. In a small bowl, mix together some garlic and onion powder. We're also adding some dried basil, thyme, and oregano. Add some paprika, some white pepper and cayenne pepper. Add some salt and black pepper, then mix everything together. Once mixed in, we're going to season the chicken drumsticks with the spices. Make sure you pat the spices into the chicken, then turn them over and season the other side as well. As soon as both sides of the chicken have been seasoned, we're going to add some butter. Slice up some butter and place each slice onto each chicken drumstick. The butter will melt all over the chicken and make it extra crispy. Make sure your oven has been heated up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the drumsticks for 40 to 45 minutes. Halfway through the baking time, make sure you flip the chicken over. Then place them back into the oven to finish baking. Here it is when it comes out of the oven. This will come out smelling so good. The chicken comes out sizzling and crispy looking on the outside. This is such an easy chicken recipe and it pairs really well with all sides. I like to pair this with roasted sweet potatoes. The chicken drumsticks came out crispy on the outside and juicy tender on the inside. This is such an easy, delicious baked chicken drumsticks recipe. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.